Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg for a sandwich. We'll explore 3 fantastic methods: the classic fried egg, fluffy scrambled eggs, and a quick, easy omelet. Each technique brings a different texture and taste to your breakfast creation. You'll learn simple steps and helpful tips to ensure your egg is perfectly cooked every single time, making your sandwich truly delicious and satisfying. Let's get started on these simple, yet essential, cooking skills. For a classic fried egg, begin by heating 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Carefully crack 1 large egg into the pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes if you prefer a runny yolk, or until the whites are set. For a firmer yolk, gently flip the egg and cook for an additional 30 seconds to 1 minute. This method creates a wonderfully simple and satisfying egg for any sandwich. To make fluffy scrambled eggs, whisk 2 large eggs together with 1 tablespoon of milk or cream and a pinch of salt and pepper. Melt 1 teaspoon of butter in a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Pour the egg mixture into the pan and stir gently with a spatula, continuously moving the eggs. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the eggs are just set and creamy, not dry. This soft texture is perfect for a comforting sandwich. For a quick and easy omelet, whisk 2 large eggs with a pinch of salt and pepper. Heat 1 teaspoon of butter in an 8-inch non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour the egg mixture into the hot pan and let it cook undisturbed for about 1 minute, allowing the edges to set. Gently push the cooked edges towards the center, tilting the pan to let uncooked egg flow underneath. Once mostly set, fold the omelet in half and slide it directly onto your sandwich. Enjoy your perfectly prepared egg.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.